Low minimum deposit requirement. In today's competitive Forex market, accessibility is everything. One of the most attractive features for Canadian traders exploring new investment opportunities is a low minimum deposit requirement. This approach to Forex trading invites more participants into the world of finance, empowering individuals with flexible capital to enter the market with confidence and without fear of overcommitting. When evaluating platforms like Trade Consulting Pte Ltd, the emphasis on affordability and inclusivity becomes a cornerstone of their service model. A low minimum deposit requirement removes the barriers that once kept aspiring traders at bay. In a market where some platforms demand initial deposits as high as $1,000 or even $10,000, Trade Consulting stands apart. According to the Scam Trade Consulting Review, their model is refreshingly different. With starting deposits set at a fraction of industry standards, sometimes as low as $100, Trade Consulting Forex offers accessibility without compromising quality or platform functionality. This commitment to entry-level friendliness is not just a marketing feature, it reflects a broader vision. Trade Consulting Broker understands the importance of financial inclusion. The platform's structure is tailored to accommodate Canadian traders who are cautious with their capital but eager to explore global markets. Trade Consulting Forex reinforces this philosophy, positioning itself as an ideal entry point for those new to Forex trading. Critics might wonder if a low minimum deposit hints at a trade consulting scam. However, repeated examination through various Trade Consulting Review articles dispels such concerns. Transparency, fast execution, and well-structured account management tools define the user experience. Trade Consulting opinion across the Canadian trading community frequently highlights how the platform's generous accessibility has made trading feasible for students, part-time investors, and retirees alike. One of the most striking insights from ongoing analysis is that Trade Consulting maintains its credibility while still keeping entry costs low. Users report average spreads as competitive as 0.8 pips, with leverage options up to 1 to 500. Allowing for both cautious and ambitious strategies. Such numbers reinforce that a low deposit threshold doesn't equate to limited opportunity, it signifies a gateway. Further confidence is reflected in Trade Consulting opinion pieces that emphasize how robust customer support, multi-device compatibility, and real-time analytics empower traders at every stage. Trade Consulting Broker does not simply open the doors, it ensures a guided and informed journey. New traders aren't left alone with their small deposits. They're backed by the same advanced infrastructure supporting larger accounts. This isn't a niche strategy, it's a conscious pivot toward a more inclusive trading culture. In regions like Canada, where financial literacy and independence are increasingly valued, Trade Consulting Forex has become a reference point. Many in the trading world see the company as an example of how low minimum deposit can spark high potential growth. Moreover, it's not just about accessibility, it's about sustainability. The platform encourages responsible trading by allowing users to start small and scale up as they gain confidence. This organic growth model is praised across numerous Trade Consulting opinion pieces. No pressure, no overextension, just a smart, strategic entry into Forex. In summary, a low minimum deposit requirement isn't just a feature, it's a mission. Through platforms like Trade Consulting, Canadian traders are discovering that big dreams don't always need big investments. The recurring theme across every Trade Consulting Review, Trade Consulting Review, and genuine Trade Consulting opinion is clear. The gateway to Forex success is now wider than ever, and it starts at Trade Consulting.